Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you what fits inside this Parfois belt bag and crossbody bag. So if you can remember from my last video, I showed you the unboxing of this one, some details, but I forgot to show you some minor details that I have just discovered, that this bag has an emergency or a secret pocket. So it has a secret pocket at the middle. So I think that's cool and I want to show you as well. And also I'm also looking for the logo of Parfois on the hook, but I found the logo on this zipper pull instead. It is here and on the other side. So now let's try to see what I can fit inside of this cute belt bag and crossbody bag. On the front side, let's try to put some tissue pocket, and then let's put some, I will put a small lip balm, and then my earphones, and I'll put my vitamins in there, and I'll put my favorite menthol chopstick, and I think it will still fit a small bottle of perfume. So let's close it. First area, you can see it doesn't really bulge. Just put the things that you just need for this small bag. And on this secret middle pocket, I will put this plastic bag neatly folded in a triangle. So now I will share with you how I folded my plastic bag into a small triangle piece that you can easily place on your small bags or even your wallet. It would fit. So this one, I will fold this in thirds. So first fold it in, so this is how it looks like, folded in third, and then at the tip of the plastic we'll fold it like triangles. So you do that and then go and continue, and when I reach to this one I still have more triangles to go, but you will need to fold this one, triangle, and then fold this one again last time, so you have triangle now, and then you will place this one inside this flap, put this one inside this flap so that it will be neatly folded like so. So now you have a triangle plastic that you can place inside your bag or inside your, I think this will also fit in your wallet if you wanted to. So this is a great trick, right? You can easily access it. You can also put your ID there, or your ticket for the bus or for the train ticket. You can easily, or your money for your, you can easily access in there. So on the main compartment, I will place my phone, such a big phone that I'm using, and then my Parfois wallet, and then I think a small alcohol bottle would also fit in that. So still, you can still put some other things in there if you wanted to, but I think this is just good enough for me. So you can see no bulging, and I think that you still can place some things in there if you wanted to. So this is just a cute bag, and I'm really loving its functionality, its versatility, because it's a crossbody bag, and it is also a belt bag if you put the belt at, at this area. But I didn't place my belt in there so that I can easily move it on the camera for you. And also, if you don't put those things in there, the sling and the belt, it is just a simple clutch. And another thing that I found, I got this chain strap from my other bag, simple chain bag that matches this hardware, silver hardware. And let's try if this would also make another look for this bag, versatile bag. So look at the hardware, it matches, they're both silver. And on the other side you can put this hook. This hook is very tricky. You have to push it like that. You have to push it like it's a cute circle closure and handle. So now this bag became a cute handle that made it classy. So this is a nice idea as well. So I loved it. You can use this beautiful strap in this cute bag. So I'm loving Parfois in versatile and simple designs like this one. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please always thank God for the blessings. Bye.